Hey guys, it is Patrick. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna blow y'all's mind. I am finally making my favorite Starbucks drink of all time in this video. The Starbucks pink drink is my go-to drink. I get it like at least 3 times a week. It is just my go-to. It's my comfort zone. I feel good. I feel comfortable. I know I'm gonna like it, so that's why I keep on ordering it. And I've done this video on my channel before, like 1 or 2 years ago, but I've streamlined the process of making this. I've made it so much easier. I've changed up the ingredients a little bit, not too much. Actually, I don't think I've really changed anything, but I just wanted to film an updated tutorial on how to make this because it's the best drink ever, so why wouldn't I? I think you guys are gonna love this recipe. If you love the pink drink, the pinkity drinkity, you're gonna love this. You are gonna love it. Trust me, you can make this at home. Actually, if we wanna get into why I'm even making this video in the first place, I've had my first negative experience with the Starbucks pink drink. So, it was literally like last Sunday, I was picking up my groceries, I was trying to start off my day on a good note. So I went in the app, ordered a Starbucks pink drink. This is me ordering it. I ordered a Starbucks pink drink, went to go pick it up. I go in the store and then she's like,
is this a mobile order?
And I'm like, yeah, it's for Patrick, it's a pink drink. And she's like,
okay, calm down.
I was like, I literally just said my name and what I ordered. I am calm. She's like,
we're making it right now.
I was like, okay, I'm just gonna stand here, wait for you to make it. Keep in mind, I think I put this order in the app like 10 minutes ago, so I don't know what they were doing with those 10 minutes. Maybe they were busy. It didn't seem that busy to me, but whatever. So this girl literally, I order a venti pink drink. This girl puts in the ice, puts in the coconut milk up to here, and then just puts like a drop of the strawberry acai strawberry refresher. That was the worst pink drink I've ever had. Terrible experience. I will not be returning to that Starbucks. And that kind of got the gears turning. I should be making this at home. I can't do this anymore. I used to be able to get a pink drink and it be so good wherever I went, but that one experience kind of just shook me. I don't know if that was just like a one-off little barista having a bad day moment, but I wasn't really here for it. I want my pink drink to have a good ratio between the strawberry acai refresher and the coconut milk. I want a good pink to drink ratio. Is that too much to ask for? Apparently, at that location, at that time, it was. But the best part of making this at home is you can customize it to what you want. So if you really like a lot of coconut milk, you can add a lot of coconut milk. And if you really want the strawberry flavor to come through, you don't have to add as much coconut milk. It is completely customizable to what you want. I'm making it how I want it. I will leave the recipe down below if you guys want to try it out for yourself. Again, if you live for the pink drink, which I need to get into the history of my love for the pink drink. I need to go there. So, the Starbucks Strawberry Acai Refresher has been a staple on the menu for a hot minute. It's been there, we've loved it through the years. During the summer, if I either want to say it's 2015 or 2016, the pink drink went viral on Instagram. Everyone was ordering it, everyone was loving it, everyone was taking their pictures, it was everything. But before it was officially on the menu, you had to order a Strawberry Acai Refresher, no water, add coconut milk. I ordered that so much, and we all ordered it so much that they eventually put the pink drink on the official menu. So it went from the secret menu to the official menu. This is the power we have if we really like a drink. And this drink is so good. Again, I don't know who invented the concept of replacing the water with the coconut milk, but whoever did this should win a prize. They should be in the Hall of Fame of life. Whoever invented this pink drink, you are my hero. Shall we get into what you're gonna need to make this at home? I think we shall. Okay, so just like all of my Starbucks copycat recipes that I show for you guys, the ingredients are so easy, so simple to find. I really do try to do that for you guys because I don't want you to be stressed out looking for this stuff. No one wants that. The first thing you're gonna need is coconut milk. I live for this brand. It's so delicious. It's organic and unsweetened. The unsweetened part is essential because we're already adding ingredients with a lot of sugar to it. So if you don't want a cavity right after you drink this, get unsweetened coconut milk. It really just makes that drink really good. The next thing you're gonna need, white grape juice. This ingredient is kind of a little suspect. It's kind of a little, what is that doing there? But if you think about it, the Starbucks pink drink does have a little zip or a little tang to it on the aftertaste. It's just the aftertaste. And that's what comes from the white grape juice. Essentially, Starbucks refreshers are just juice, and then you either add water or coconut milk to it. So obviously, since this is the pink drink, you're gonna need a strawberry component to this drink. What you're gonna need is the Crystal Light Wild Strawberry packets. So this is what the packets look like. You should literally be able to find this in any store that sells Crystal Light. It's just a little packet that you're gonna add to this drink, and it tastes just like the strawberry flavoring that Starbucks uses. So this box of strawberry drink mix comes with 10 packets. So buy one of these and you can make 10 pink drinks from home. Keep in mind, by the way, you are gonna save so much money. A venti pink drink is anywhere between like $5 or $6. You can get all of these ingredients for like $10 and you can make so many pink drinks at home. And then the last ingredient you're gonna need is freeze-dried strawberries. This is actually what Starbucks uses. They don't use fresh or like frozen strawberries, they use freeze-dried strawberries. So I don't really know if this is like absolutely like you need this, you can't make the drink without this, but if you want to take like cute pictures with it, if you want it to like stand out in the crowd, if you want it to be like Instagrammable, you need to add this. And that's literally all of the ingredients that you're gonna need to make this. You're also gonna need water and ice, but I'm assuming you have those. I could be wrong, sue me. So the measurements I'm going to be giving you guys are for a venti pink drink. So in my old video, I showed you guys this little technique where I combined the packets with the coconut milk, and really it's too difficult. It's too much. I don't know why I did that, but I did. If you want to just make this as streamlined and as easy as possible, go ahead and either get like this little blender cup that you can shake around, or like a protein, what's it called? A little protein, I don't work out. A protein shake bottle. There is probably such a better term for that, that's all I know to call it. So the first thing that you're gonna need to do is fill this up with ice. Don't even get me started on the amount of ice Starbucks tries to put in your drink. Okay, so I added the amount of ice I like. It's like maybe like a cup or so. Just adjust to whatever amount of ice you want, because this is your drink. This is the beauty of DIYing stuff. You get to make it. We love that. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to add is the white grape juice. You do not need to add that much of this at all. Again, this is just for that little zip, that little acidity at the end that you get with this drink. So you really only need like a quarter of a cup. Okay, a quarter of a cup of the white grape juice going in. So then I'm gonna add like half a cup of water to this. Now, if you want your drink super sweet, you can go ahead and replace the water with the grape juice, but don't do that. So now I'm gonna add half a cup of water to this. Now we can go ahead and sprinkle in the little packet of the strawberry. Now, I will say, I have not found a way to get acai into this drink, but to be honest, when I taste a pink drink, I don't taste acai. I'm sorry, I don't. I just taste strawberry and coconut. Unpopular opinion, does it even have acai in there? Conspiracy theory, does it? I don't know. It's not for me to decide. And then I'm gonna shake up my coconut milk. I live for coconut milk. It makes this drink taste so good. This is one of the few instances. Normally I say you guys can use any plant milk you want. You can use almond milk or soy milk. No. If you wanna make a pink drink, you have to use coconut milk. No tea, period. It just combines with the strawberry and it tastes so good. So I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk to this. So actually maybe add like a cup of coconut milk. And then to make the pictures really pretty, you're gonna have to add some dehydrated, freeze-dried strawberries. This smells so good. It literally does smell like a pink drink. And then you can shake it. They do this at Starbucks. Well, that one barista did not. She put in 0 effort. But they do this at Starbucks. They like put it into a thing and then shake it. I don't know why drinks that are like shaken instead of stirred taste so much better. This looks just like the pink drink at So now I'm just gonna pour this into my Starbucks cup. If you wanna fool everyone to think that you got your Starbucks, you do need a Starbucks cup. It just takes it to that next bougie level. Oh my gosh! Okay, in my recipe video before this, I did not add the freeze-dried strawberries. It really does make it look so realistic. It looks just like the Starbucks pink drink. Tea. I'm so excited. You guys, this is, when I tell you this is my favorite drink, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. This is probably like 90% of my blood at this point. Let's go in for the taste. You guys, this is the Starbucks pink drink. So if you guys really like this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. You can view an entire playlist of me making Starbucks copycats right here. Go watch all of them. They're all amazing. This one might be my favorite. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. Did I say all that stuff already? Yeah. Bye. Kind of tea.